Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So I'm here with Nigel Garcia. He is my childhood friend from Hong Kong and we grew up together. And basically today we're gonna be trying some Japanese snacks that I got from Tokyo. I went to Don Quixote and I just got a bunch of snacks for us to try out today. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So, are you ready?
Yeah! Free food!
So, before we start, is there any flavors that you don't really like?
No.
Like, okay. Like, not, you like matcha and stuff like that?
You can eat anything.
He can eat anything. Perfect. Okay, let's start. This is what I got from Don Quixote. And I think today, we're gonna start with these Koo drinks. So Koo is like a big part of my childhood. I don't know about you.
Yeah.
But yeah, I don't know if it's jelly or if it's a drink. But yeah,
it's not cold.
Yeah, it's not cold.
Oh, it'll be cold.
Sorry. Yeah, we're gonna try it out. Ready? I did not expect that.
What is that?
I did not expect that.
It's not even a drink.
Okay, next. Your side. Okay.
That's nasty.
I think I'm gonna try something good. This is the strawberry pocky, I think with the chocolate sticks.
Thank you.
So one pack for each of us.
Yeah.
Okay. I think we need scissors. Never mind. That's so good. Love that.
Oh, it's a good snack.
Love that. I have another one.
Very good for munchies, you know.
Oh my god. We are a PG channel.
Oh, my bad.
It's good. Moving on. Okay. You're still eating the pocky.
Good stuff.
Ready for the next one?
Yeah.
So I got these Beard Papa cream puff wafer sticks. Have you ever had Beard Papa before?
No.
They have Beard Papa in Hong Kong and it's like the best. And like they're basically cream puffs. And I think this is like a stick version of a cream puff. So yeah. Ooh, God. That tastes like meat. It tastes like meat more than cream puff.
Yeah, that's bad.
Okay, next. I got this mystery, I don't know, mystery flavored thing. And I don't know what the mystery flavor is. So,
Sugar gay.
Sugar gay.
I think it's lemon flavor. Look at that. Does that say lemon flavor? Okay, try it out.
Looks like that.
Looks like a mushroom.
Yeah, shrooms.
Oh yeah. It's iced tea flavor.
That's iced tea. Yeah. Kind of weird, but yeah, it's bad.
Not something I would eat.
Yeah, no.
Okay, next. I got Kit Kats, of course, because Kit Kats are very famous there. I got the Sakura and roasted soybean flavor. I made sure not to get the regular flavor.
Soya bean?
Yeah. But Sakura is good. So this is what it looks like. How do you eat Kit Kat?
Oh no.
Do you like just bite it or do you break it in half?
Break it in half.
Okay. Tastes like coffee. I don't hate it.
Besides, all these snacks have a weird aftertaste.
Yeah, they do.
It's really-
Now we have our special guest, Jenny. Hello, Jenny. Hi. I'm wearing pajamas. Nigel can choose from the bag. Do you have any snack packs? What our next snack is? Okay. He chose this boba flavored candy. I thought it was interesting, but I don't think it's gonna be good. So it comes in little cubes. Jenny? He's so scared.
Not really a big fan of boba.
Okay, so it's like this, and it has little tapioca pearls in the middle. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. God. If you love boba, I think you'd like this candy. That really tastes like boba, on point, but I don't like it. It's weird. Now Jenny can choose the next one. Oh no! Jenny chose the super soda candy. It's a really, really sour one. We have this in Hong Kong, but we have the lemon one, and I wanted to try out the soda one, so here we are.
I'm gonna show you guys how to handle that.
I'm nervous. I'm just gonna lick it. Oh, he's already going for it, okay. Wow, no reaction. Wait, I'm so scared, okay. Okay. Not as bad as the lemon one.
Sweet.
I don't like sour candy.
Pretty hard.
So next one is this. I think it's like kind of similar, but it's not really the same. It's this sour candy that has Coke flavor, I think matcha tea flavor, and the soda flavor with milk inside. What flavor do you guys want to try?
Coke.
I believe this is Coke.
Sure.
That looks
like
super
milk.
sour.
Looks like milk.
No, this one's the milk one.
I want the milk one.
Okay, I'll get the green tea, I guess. Okay, ready, set, go. It's making noises in my mouth.
You know those soda candies you get from 7-Eleven? That's what the milk one tastes like.
Oh, this one's melon flavor. It's not green tea. It's not bad. I'm just uncomfortable by the bubbles it's making in my mouth. Wait, it's chewy.
I have a feeling it's a gum.
I don't think so. It's like, I think
Yeah.
it's just like high chew or something.
Yeah. That was not bad.
Yeah.
Not bad.
Next we have these fettuccine soda gummies. 3, 2, 1. Tastes like gin and tonic.
What happened to being a PG channel?
Of course I had to get a matcha thing, so I got these matcha flavored Pockies. It's like a thick one.
That's what she said.
I don't know how to describe this taste.
Boring.
It tastes like
Matcha.
Green tea.
Next is this Crunky ice cream flavor, I think. Crunky comes in all flavors. I got this ice cream one. 3, 2, 1.
It's like cookies and cream.
You know,
You like that, don't you? He's gonna take that home.
pretty good.
Next we have these 50-meter long. Is it 50 meters?
Are we supposed to know? You know how long 50 meters are? 1 meter is like this long.
What is this? What is this then? 50 cm. Oh, it's cm. So you have this 50 cm grape gummy. We were inspired to get these because of the commercial. We'll try the purple one first. It's long. Okay.
That's why it's all the candies long and thick.
Wait, how are we gonna eat this whole,
Open it.
like just the whole thing?
Yeah.
It's sticky. Oh my god. I can't. Okay. Wow, look at him. He's so helpful. Ew, it's touching his leg. So this is how you eat it. You have to like rip it like this. So weird. Jenny. How many pieces do you want? 2?
No,
I got you 3, okay? what you don't expect. You think it's like gum, but it's just gummy. There you go.
Feels really weird in your mouth.
It does, right? Ready for the green one?
I'm so.
She's still braiding it.
That looks nice.
But does it taste good though?
Wow. It's not focusing.
What? He went for second, so I guess it did taste good. Okay, Jenny's trying it now. Probably the green one while she's doing that.
This isn't gum.
No, you think it is, but it's not. This is so difficult. It smells like paint.
Fine. Oh, I broke it.
Well, it's not 50 cm anymore.
It's
40 here.
I'll just take the
What flavor
broken
is
part.
this?
Green grape. Okay.
Oh, that's nasty.
The purple one's better. It tastes like armpit.
You've tasted armpit?
You're still enjoying it. Why?
Because I tore it off. And I feel bad.
Oh!
That did so bad. So, okay, now apparently we're gonna rate our favorite ones. What do y'all think?
Pocky.
Oh, he's going back for the crunky. Number one.
That is actually good. It's like cookies
I
and
like
cream.
the pink pocky.
Of course, she likes the pink pocky, but she wasn't even there to try it with us. Okay, my favorite one I think is, I don't even know what I liked. Did I like any of it? Okay, I'm gonna
Try everything again.
try everything again to see which one I like.
Restart the video.
No, I really like the crunky as well. That was a good choice for me. My least favorite was the green long man.
Probably just the only good Japanese snack. Yeah.
There's so many.
No, just the only one.
Which one was your least favorite though?
Probably the sour one. I don't like
Give me that.
this one.
You don't like that one? Yeah, this one.
Garbage.
No, I did not like
Garbage.
this. Of all the garbage ones that we had, this one was probably the most garbage. Just stick to one flavor. So you're taking this home. Bet.
I'll probably finish it now.
Yeah, true. This one was good as well. The strawberry poppy. Yeah, I like that. That's the end of our video. Thank you so much for watching this mess.
See you
Yeah.
later,
See you next time. Bye.
Whoever watches this video, hope you had fun.